Okay, so yes, I say about this is the fresh updates about Hopeson Adorye. Another update here, the bread more about Hopeson Adorye. We gave and I say Magana for where Hopeson Adorye has been arrested. No Sambia or Kokaye about a dynamite explosives. Now the cover by and say Hopeson Adorye patch said way back in 2016. He and other prominent people in the New Patriotic Party, they did some dirty works for the New Patriotic Party. Now, all kind same way in Japan, then the two TV, so there were people who were saying, say, in Ghana has in Brower Hana Hopeson Adorye exposure will not follow up, will not do anything. It is for me no can a fresh update about in terms of whatever is happening. Party Hopeson Adorye have finally been arrested. Hopeson Adorye have finally been arrested. The video I will share on the screens, and the moment Hopeson Adorye was arrested that any asem kito. And you share the full details into this. What really happened at the internet? Hopeson Adorye trying to share what is really going on. But answer now, so this is the fresh updates and draft story nearby about Hopeson Adorye. There are a lot of people who were talking about it. Now Obia Chena dream among us said this is right. Now we Hopeson Adorye we are learning say he went there. The police called him invitation. Oh no, no akasa willingly. On the lawyers echo ho or call and then the cassaway say yes order from above until was he detaining it is our order from above was he detaining and I'm no Castle Adorye Akahwa when PB today this morning he's been seen in handcuffs up. We don't know if he is being transferred to the Nsawam prisons or not. But as I watch the video a bra or handcuffs he was exchanging words with a police for a soldier for or more premise because also a national security expert. What give us more details? I mean, this whole thing, what are you observing, especially on social media and the various reactions? I mean, you say but just a quick one, video.
Okay, so what is happening right now is that yes, and this morning, information Amega Dani said he has been granted bail of 20,000 Ghana cedis.
He has been granted bail.
Yes, of 20,000 Ghana cedis with 2 sureties. And we've seen say most of the party faithfuls, mature movement for change for no. Bibrina, we share screens no so cry we for timu say yellow no. Ekupie mu or abra yeche Hopeson Adorye handcuffs no. But the whole thing is that he spent the night baby detainee no and an opewe no they've already taken him to court. I mean can say yes, am I charged? No. Yes, he has been charged for false publication. Say the information now the two mountains so no, it was false. So that's the charge.
I didn't tell information
well, that is what the court is saying at the moment. That's the charge because he has not been able to explain himself. Untimi ma solid proof and any
so they have to use the word unfactual.
Well, no, who bet my catch judges for, but this is what the judges are saying.
Okay,
that he has been charged with that.
Video and not power Hopeson Adorye or call courts. It's he has some exchange with the police for.
Yes.
And yes, to share some video with a bar. We will give you more updates as to what is really going on.
Now, I'm talking to my lawyer, please. I'm talking to my lawyer. Master, what is this? I'm talking to my lawyer and then you are preventing me. Please, let me talk to my lawyer. What is the meaning of that? Are you the only police person? Wait. Wait. Come and say, now.
That is Hopeson Adorye this morning. You who say and run no chain and no pay. Not to say ye transporting on every baby or no edina kwa mu e court. Now information there by nature say didn't copy mu e court no. Charger ye they are born. This is a charge. Yen can say me who said the yen can ya pass the final verdict on him. We a charge kwedu they are born. Ye betima abo kwedu for false publication. As the proceedings is going on, utimi prove and bring the necessary evidence near there. Ye betime is a charge no if you so that one there and shed that any big deal. But right now, so another information ebani say he's supposed to report himself to the police every Monday.
Every Monday.
Say okopie mu ye police for catch no or then who catch our police for say me name me call baby amina me because they say no we a charge I they born no the lawyer say na kwakwaye the state against him. Nti the lawyers yo mafemu de bia and a state so yenti say no ababe dane asema wo court a omu edi nti say Hopeson Adorye busiafo currently no ye no I mean he has been granted bail 20,000 so they said the mekayen with 2 sureties any identity say there he's not in the coffers of the police again currently but of course social media and so I mean amount for bebre na etre o mo adwene ewo ho ni titire ene movement for change ane metre afafranto party no the faithfuls the followers yellow for no mani abrepa o mo twemu say MPP for sebe omo ye nipa boni for pa for doing this because they are blaming them omo twemu say omo mfa blame ni nkomo obia say MPP for because we there chiayache Hopeson Adorye no is politically me can say politics and yes and eka ho ama we actually Hopeson Adorye nye any way bia politics ka ho pa na ama wo mo e de actually Hopeson Adorye some are even blaming Kwame Sefakan say onu nso ni masem ni hu bi ni ade che say edi ni de they are mentioning na enya asem kitwa de ebi mo kra caution the Voltarian say omunwe wo mprenu 2024 answer no matter about the MPP for because they should see the kind of people omokoto abade ama omo a NSA MPP there enye option and what say omo enya one single vote crap every the Volta region and to beside this is what is happening currently with Hopeson Adorye reactions ni bin so abano enam de tuja no mo mani abrepa na yellow for no omo gine mu den and ra bro muti Hopeson Adorye they were there enwumre ni nyina na omo ho no ma say
premises
yes they were at the premises. It was very dark when you see some of the videos circulating was social media no so I was very dark pa na say ebinumu maame ni ebinumu nuanom ni ebinumu kununum ni ade say almost free Hopeson na say also munjai Hopeson Adorye na onko ina no pay nso no womu dia kwa kogum na say enra no most people couldn't join the ekoso no the rally and ekoso so munjai Hopeson Adorye most people were not there anopay any un say omudium uniform yellow no akwa gina ho no ma enya asem ketwa but currently ne de wenya bail yes Hopeson Adorye nya bail.
Okay, for those of you amunya share video, do you know say there was a particular video way nyina ebaye. This particular video way nyina ebaye last week Hopeson Adorye call in Japan in the 2 TV no so. Expand saying same way nyina ekos in Japan so hu because in Japan before everything the MPP party they started accusing in Japan of facilitating platforms for Alan Cash okay I said bra Alan or any program or UPSA the two days afterwards Inkofobi say concern voters of Baumia or Baumia for change on what the letter bar say if Ken Japan continue to give his platform to people like Alan Cash to continue to spread his message, you be in the party. Until after 2 days, our station is protesting about me so nim hoshe. So it tells you say even though sa in sema say Obama mombe posti it almost say enyo mono. Clearly it is them, but then they fear backlash. And this is the same platform Hopeson Adorye okoka sa in 7 because Hopeson Adorye some woka nyina about this whole issue na way nyina ba no the same na 2TV or Man FM. So you see second Japan who boom. Now usually in Pimpi no we be say here. We all know say per the laws no platform or can ansem no they take the platform on. My mema example yet na Prez Akuff ye plot say be in bibia. It is not just your penny home betray meboa.
Sure.
The platform, the company that provided the platform for us, will be defendants in the case. So clearly, no, in some way, of course, can boom. But quick once in a question, the video involved a trigger all of this. No, have you seen any reactions in terms of how the 2TV people, no, how Muslim they are reacting to this issue? What are they even talking about? At the end, or in some more can or much saying.
Oh,
give
well,
us more
currently,
details.
all the mechanics say all media houses kasa same way wasem. The fact say yachin no unim say Chrome had the assemble kota, everybody is talking about it.
Yeah.
And you know, they are also giving the reportage. Omonso my report of what is happening. They are to Hopeson Adorye, but as to omo kasa and I say they trying to make it do say ebia related to them ne de omon shedanye bibiasa, but the normal reportage other media houses, media generals and City4 ne you can name them remember my reports near there no the same way and omonso no omo feed the audience with what is going on to make can say update ahodo and omode man omo audience ye che no no mo kan ye de ne court so omo de abeto ho and afin so the man ne bail no so omo de abeto ho nti no they are still giving updates and make can say feedback to omo audience concerning this particular Hopeson Adorye issue. Until they've not really come out to say ebi omo dem ho for remove the
Man FM which is owned by Kennedy.
Exactly.
Okay.
What they are doing is the normal reportage. Media houses ni nyina
Okay. It's for seen the two jano. The video involve nam so a we nyina ebaye no Kennedy Japan. The TV station on Man FM. Na yenko tie what really happened and now say in sema Hopeson kokan ya eneno na swan she, but there are also scores of people among forecast a tre maka de sense yanko nkuti we ba beto aso
this to election ya koto dynamite koto mu because of in sema make achiro na afi mo tu moto go mu election de omo de ka gosi wona nkokonko na wo obi adwane kokrom
to say
2016
koto dynamite na edehu as voters.
That's right. 2016, who said the voter turnout in voter region reduced.
Yeah, 2016.
Me to maba e water my way ya na me tuka. Ana me kwayi. Timishia regional secretary Opando. Nti na bobe 230. And I'm so on send message across.
Okay.
Say omo mayen figures. Total number of voters in the register. As at that time 230 no di pass na to aba. Results na never na am chance ya win elections because baby we have 500 then the power 170 at waba as at 2:30 p.m. baby we no 350 maybe a nipa 95 and at waba any other. So I told him say
you read and also the World Bank of
that's
the
right. Typical chance ya win was it how and I'm say aggression na ba no on
would you say dynamite na motu in so bom
what the mama nkasa we read.
Oh kasa
ya de ava fraton so be ya de.
Strategy upon strategy. Oh, I'm to politics well. Politics is not about school. I am making go say politics and about PhD or strategy. What is strategy? Yeah, baby.
MPP who is doctor.
Yeah.
Who is professor nkasa you feel.
You feel. In MPP.
We no na go professor grow you know.
Yeah.
What do you say? Ya kwakoye. Aba ayaba. Na se ukokotena baby na afi yeyi. Look, me say in some bi ohodo ma meka me nka ne say you.
Okay.
Aban sesan wi a. There are some people personally I will make sure say we must face the law.
Personally.
Me na meka kire o. Hwe airport. Obia ka se pamo Mayfree airport to adipa no boa. Bisa kanda pa.
Yampamo.
Best answer me boy Akufo Addo amane.
No way you dwande da.
Ma ye dwuma na wie. I see ho. 3 days to election. You got dynamite koto.
That was a year Hopeson Adorye in the interview or granted year previously and sana issue we but hoka said 2016 elections no the MPP for orchestrated some moves be a boy Emma the voter region for the intimiamba to abano ama the new National Democratic Congress na cheso chema dynamite be enomoko pai no ewo Togo border no eso inti Togo border no so no omoko pai sa dynamite no na em say edi ehu ni ade ehihye nkofo mu a ema omo intimiamba to aba no inti he stated cross say after no na bato a to ye ewo tema no he went straight to the voter region eko consulte EC officials no to find out say nipa dodo saying and I almost expect you almost a moment about based on a voters register no more no and I nipa dodo saying and about to not just from the look of things no nipa pino MP ama meto abano that means
a plotty. Plotting and planning and plotting.
Yeah, according to what a year Hopeson Adorye cannot say a idea omo plan plotting sebe omo executing kama they got the results they wanted according to the Hopeson Adorye
can say a snitch. The MPP is trying to snitch on Hopeson Adorye because Hopeson Adorye no he's always been loyal. Atias and now no fee party no or kase or no dear or kase or can say my party ni big because Massa, we cry a tip of the iceberg. Would him say there's one lady in Chibi corner so but my mama tip of the iceberg.
Okay.
A year your friend is saying Sewa Bruni. Or say Sewa Bruni should be na noa aban begu.
Okay.
Sewa so kai Sewa Bruni.
Yeah.
The lady Akuff apparently you know on any share honey ade no or no asem ne yeka.
Okay.
Or no asem ne yeka. So ebi mo ka say o share social media ne comments ne ade a eba amanfo ka so we no MPP for and mo try so me silence no or mo try so be use certain tactics ne ade.
Well, if ebi no mo ka say MPP for try say omo be silence say Hopeson Adorye I think say they are trying to protect themselves. Obi eni ho no ma sebe oye bone a wa oni obi a me ne o mienu ye di bone. Na sabre also won join party ni biema and I say because of one or two on come me who bioma does it mean say boni edi no you should come out and spell it and the question that we should be asking Hopeson Adorye is that was he proud of himself because you are a Voltarian na ye de ante said the asomawa osan de kokodi wan kasa won crofo bad is he proud of himself or no kasa obegina no be kind na ko expect say MPP from be bon nsem man na se Ghana from be bon nsem man na he should know say they will definitely click back at him enya de omuso mu be jai na ma aba bonten aba be ka nyema bebrede egu ye wo election year mu come on e was see you say there was no way MPP for EBD. If it say true, they will not keep quiet. And if it is not true, they will still not keep quiet. Ombe counter back at Hopeson Adorye. So what we are seeing in there, mekane say, or no kasana, yes, I send me nipa, and a penny who asem. Enti, or no kasana akoye lose stock. All these things are happening because.
But what he's saying is the truth.
Now I'm not saying it's not the truth. I'm just saying that even if it is the truth, they will still counter him. Because even yen normal human beings, yen individually cry. Unyo obi ye bibi na nipa ne fe na chese or yes or oba be you ama no. Also be sorry ti nipan because I'm not sure obi a pese or onyo obi ye bibi na nipa ne ba bontin be yi nema. No. And then they be that. So far as you were once in the party, and the question some people are asking is, so if Hopeson Adorye was still in the party, would he still come out to bring out all of these things out? Abra election year now. No. So in his mind, no, of let's say oka na sebe akweti the MPP because right now he's in support of Alan Chemanten, which is very perfect because Obiya entitled to the choice and any poor person supporting him. But the question here is that was he expecting MPP to keep quiet? Was he expecting MPP for the party that is still in government? No, and they will definitely counter him. And that is what we are seeing based on what people are saying. Say this one is politically just affiliated because we know from the look of things, no, just pennyphobia, that's fine. But we were all expecting it. Don't well to I'm sure you were expecting. And again, people from Bekasakra, you'll be surprised. And no man, yes, so